In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to GitHub with a Zap and Zapier. We're going to walk through creating an automation that starts with a Trello event and continues with a GitHub action. This is perfect when you want Trello activity like a new card or a card moving list to automatically kick off something in GitHub, such as creating an issue. I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along confidently. First, go to the Zapier website and sign in to your account. On the Zapier dashboard, look for the Create button at the top and click it. From the options that appear, select Zap. This opens the editor where your automation will come together. You'll start by setting up the trigger, which is what tells your Zap when to run. Click on Trigger to choose the app that will start things off. In the search bar, type Trello, then click on Trello when it appears. Next, you'll choose an event, which is the specific Trello activity that should trigger your Zap. For example, you might pick something like New Card or Card Move to List, depending on your workflow. Select the option that matches what you want to automate. Now connect your Trello account. Click to connect and follow the prompts to authorize Zapier. Make sure you're using the correct Trello workspace and have permission to access the boards you'll use. Zapier will ask for the minimum access it needs to run the automation. Review the prompts and confirm. After that's set, move on to the action, which is what Zapier will do in response to the trigger. Click on Action to add the next step. In the search bar, type GitHub, then click on GitHub. Just like before, choose an event for GitHub that fits your needs. Common choices include creating an issue or adding a comment, but pick the event that aligns with your process. Next, connect the GitHub account that Zapier should use. Click to connect and complete the authorization flow. Ensure you have access to the correct organization and repository. If your team has stricter permissions, you may need approval from an admin, so keep that in mind. That's the core setup. Trello as the trigger, GitHub as the action, with both accounts connected. This structure gives you a reliable bridge from your Trello board to your GitHub repo, keeping tasks aligned across tools. Once you've chosen the exact events and connected accounts, you're ready for the next steps in your own workflow to bring this automation to